Are you looking for the best garage door insulation kit? In this video, we will break down the top 3 garage door insulation kits on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. Reach Barrier Garage Door Insulation Kit. The 3009 insulation kit from Reach Barrier is one of the most cost-effective on the market. Well, the insulating material here is a 5 by 32-inch layer of bubbles sandwiched between foil. It's one of the thinnest solutions on the list. It will nevertheless block up to 95% of radiant heat, not bad. Expect to see a reduction of around 10 to 25 degrees Fahrenheit in your garage on a hot summer's day. If you're in an area with particularly low or high temperatures, however, you may prefer something more robust. One option is to use this barrier on top of polystyrene to increase the insulation. On the plus side, this meets all fire regulations and requires absolutely no maintenance. Once it's up, and it will add virtually no weight to your garage door. If you've got an automatic opener, it won't affect its operation at all. Double-sided sticky tabs are included to attach the insulation to your door. Installation is quick and simple, and you won't need any special equipment. Unlike fiberglass options, you won't need protective gear either. And unlike polystyrene, there will be nothing to vacuum up after you've finished. For best results, leave a small gap between the surface of the door and the panel. This will create an air pocket that will increase the level of insulation. Apply one sticky tab to each corner of the panel and one in the middle, and it should hold securely. At number 2. Matador Stick 002 Garage Door Insulation Kit. The Matador Garage Door Insulation Kit is a clean, classy-looking kit that is just as effective as some of the more unwieldy kits. It is fabricated in such a way that the installation is easy and perfectly cut for almost any standard garage door. The installation doesn't even require any double-sided tape or glue. The polystyrene laminate garage insulation panels help stave off both warm and cold air as well as radiant heat from the door itself. Plus, the pre-cut panels are low profile and won't block off access to the actual door itself. If you want to keep using your garage door while protecting the garage from the elements, this could be a great option for you. People who want to keep the look of their garage and have access to the door but still want protection from heat transfer and heat loss. At number 3. NASA Tech White Reflective Foam Door Insulation Kit. The NASA Tech White Reflective Foam is a 2-car garage door insulation kit. It's another product that's the best garage door insulation for heat. The foam board insulation for garage door kit is reflective, so it reduces radiant heat gain. As a result, it saves on utility costs and you don't have to use electric fans or AC systems to cool down your space. What's more, this product reduces the sound coming through from outside. So if you live in a busy area with noisy traffic, it will block out those sounds. The insulation kit has a Class 1 and Class A fire rating, so it's effective against severe fire exposure. It won't spread flames if a fire breaks out in your garage, ensuring the safety of you and the protection of the rest of your house and car. This is another lightweight insulator kit, so it won't add unnecessary pounds to your garage door. These insulators work well on manual sliding garage doors because of their lightweight design. As a result, the insulators won't affect the function of your garage door. To sum up, this double garage door insulation kit is highly durable, so it can withstand harsh conditions and it doesn't require any special tools to install it.